Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are giving you a step-by-step guide on choosing the right kitchen sink and faucet. When it comes to designing or remodeling your kitchen, choosing the right kitchen sink and faucet is a decision that combines functionality, durability, and style. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. This guide simplifies the process, covering everything you need to know about sink styles, materials, and faucets to make the best choice for your kitchen. We talk about the different sinks available, materials, and where to buy kitchen sinks. First and foremost, pick the right sink style. Farmhouse sinks, best for traditional farmhouse or modern kitchens. Pros: large capacity, a bold design. Cons: needs custom cabinetry, heavy. Undermount sinks, best for sleek, modern kitchens with solid surface countertops. Pros: seamless look, easy to clean. Cons: needs professional installation, not for laminate countertops. Workstation sinks, best for busy households or small kitchens. Pros: built-in accessories, perfect for multitasking. Cons: higher cost. Step 2. Choose the best sink material. Let's talk about sink materials because what it's made of really impacts durability, style, and maintenance. Stainless steel. Why choose it? It's affordable, lightweight, and super resistant to rust and heat. Any downsides? It can scratch easily and show water spots. Who's it for? Perfect for modern, high-traffic kitchens. Fireclay. What's great about it? Scratch resistant, easy to clean, and gives that timeless, elegant vibe. But it's heavy and needs reinforced cabinets. Best fit. Ideal for farmhouse or classic style kitchens. Reno composite. What makes it special? Heat resistant, scratch proof, and available in lots of colors. The catch: it's heavier and pricier than stainless steel. Who will love it? Contemporary kitchens looking for bold or neutral tones. Let's talk about kitchen faucets. They're the most used fixture in your kitchen, so picking the right one matters. Step 1. Match your sink and style. Farmhouse sink. Go for a bridge or high arc faucet for that timeless, traditional vibe. Undermount sink. A sleek pull-down faucet is perfect for modern kitchens. Workstation sink. Pair it with a multifunction sprayer faucet to maximize versatility. Step 2. Choose the faucet type. Single handle, minimalist, and easy to use. Double handle. Great for precise temperature control in traditional designs. Touchless. Hands-free convenience for hygiene and ease. Step 3. Select a finish. Chrome. Budget-friendly and shiny, but needs frequent cleaning. Brushed nickel. Durable, timeless, and resists fingerprints. Matte black. Bold and modern for contemporary spaces. Oil rub bronze. Warm and rustic. Perfect for a traditional feel. The right sink and faucet combo isn't just about looks. It's about making your kitchen work for you. A workstation sink with a pull-down faucet. Multitasking heaven. A farmhouse sink with a bridge faucet, full of charm and functionality. So, what's your pick? Thank you for watching. If you would like to shop kitchen sinks or faucets, please visit our site rtakb.com and use code YouTube for 10% off your first purchase.